Hey everybody, it's me and I'm here with Juicy. We are going to do a floral on green and like a really beautiful floral. Okay, so I made this green out of, I took a regular green and I added orange to it and I added white so that you got a nice forest green. It's a khaki green, and then I'm going to go in on this nail. Oh, let me show you my palette. And I've been trying to be more on point. I've been trying to give you my heart, my thoughts and stuff while I'm working. If you have any questions about the way that my channel is evolving and you want to know answers, please ask them. If you have any specific questions, because I want to start answering questions for girls that were, and artists that were like me. Okay, so if you don't have anything and you're just starting out and you have questions and I'm not answering them, please ask me when I upload videos on upload days in the comments section. I don't have any preferred brands, and until a brand pays me enough to be a brand ambassador, I am not going to promote any brands. I'm just going to tell you that I use the most inexpensive materials possible. I use mostly Wet n Wild nail polish, and I buy them in bulk, and then I get whatever's on sale and I add blacks and whites to them to make them different colors, and that's the way I roll. So these are all Apple Barrel or Ceramcoat by Delta, and they're all less than $1 a bottle unless you buy the metallics, and the metallics are $1.79 a bottle. So this is champagne. I have a green and I have a forest green here. I have a regular spray bottle filled with water. This is a body mister spray bottle. You can buy any kind at the store, and when you use up your body spray, then you use that mister bottle and it sprays it very thinly instead of wetting all of your paint at once. I usually spray my paints 1 or 2 times while I'm doing a design just to make sure I have enough water, and make sure that all my colors are nice and thin when I get started. Now see how this is really bright green? I tone it down with its opposite color, and so that would be a red, and that just turns it into a more muted down forest green. Then I'll be pulling from here and here and here and just go like this, and I'm just working all these different colors right in here, and that's going to be the leaves for what I'm working on. And then on this side I'm going to mix the red and the purple together to make this really beautiful fuchsia color. This color is so hard to find, like beautifully. The only colors that I can think of off the top of my head is Cherries in the Snow and Ruby Woo. Like they're bright, brilliant fuchsia reds. And I will get started with that. So
using the
Robin Moses liner brush, and Juicy got me pictures of them, so they're going to go up on my website, and I'll show them in video when I get it all together. I'm slow, but I get it there. Oh, Juicy, this color is beautiful. Okay, so I'm going to go in with my liner, take the excess off on my fingertip to where it's nice and thin, and then I'm going to go
and roll the finger.
Roll that finger. Push, push, pull up, push, push, pull up, push, push, pull up, like this. That. Okay. Then going around, just making all different types of leaves. This will like totally make this look so elegant. So Jay Sean isn't here today, and this is the first time that I've been alone with Juicy in almost 2 years. Isn't that crazy, you guys? Time do fly. And we kind of miss him. There is something totally missing right now. He's already part of our atmosphere, isn't he?
He is. I miss my baby.
He is. He's missing right now.
Grandma's getting time though.
Yeah. Well, I think it's going to have to be one off, one on.
Mm-hmm.
Because but he's so fast. I can't catch him. So I'm going to go like this and finish these leaves out like that. I'll meet you back. Okay, so now I have my palette is like kind of like a little bit of a disaster, but I'm going to try and describe it to you. Okay, I went in with the red and added black so that it's a fuchsia with black mixed together. And that turns it into a dark cranberry. And if you could afford all of these colors, go ahead. Go ahead and do it. So I'm going to go in with the dark cranberry and put some leaves in. This. All the leaves, all the leaves. And can I see, Juice? Mm-hmm. Okay, all the leaves. And if my dog starts freaking out, we're going to have to turn off the camera for a minute. So while I'm here painting, let me see what I can tell you. Okay, when I'm painting, I try and decide where I can put the flowers to cover up mistakes, where to make it even so I have the right amount of red all over the nail instead of just in one area, and where I can add other things to it just so that I can have the art throughout the nail. So that takes time to get that down, but that's just practice and trial and error. So this is where you would practice this on paper and just draw different nail shapes and practice on paper and placing all of your colors in one area. So anyways, there's that. Now I'm going in with the brown. Oh, I poured some brown and some gold together, and I'm working in here. This is a little thick, so I'm going to be spraying. Boom, boom. And in the brown and the gold.
Oh shit! Oh crap! Sorry. I didn't
Hold on,
miss it.
hold on, hold on. God, you just made a whole bunch of errors all at once.
No, there was water on there and didn't want it to be wet, so I was trying to damp it off. I was trying to be helpful. I'm like,
I know, and I was like, wow, she did a whole bunch of errors and had no errors. So I was like, whatever. I've seen, oh my gosh, usually you say nothing and make a bunch of errors on your nails.
No.
So, okay, so I'm going in with just this beautiful one kind of goldish brown color. And what this will do is it makes, oh my gosh, I want to say, okay, there is a certain type of look that comes with these colors that is so pretty. And it comes out sometimes at the Oscars, and it comes out sometimes at like really beautiful benefits where they're stunningly like colorful but really elegant. And that's what I'm trying to do. So I'm adding like little lines, and then with my lighter gold, I'm going around and just dotting. Dot, 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 dot. And you can go with the line, or you can go quite a little bit through the line, but just kind of get the dots. And what that does is it just highlights your filigree and allows you to move a line without actually drawing it. For when I first started my channel, I talked about this a lot, and it wasn't being like used a lot, but maybe it will be now. So I'm going to try it again. So I use that, and I dot, 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 and then dot, 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 dot. And what it does is it just gives a look to the whole design going through, so that now when I start adding my highlights to here, I'm going to take that fuchsia, that same fuchsia color,
Water down.
water it down. I'm watering it back down over here, right in the middle, this cranberry. And then I also made the purple and the black. I mixed it right in here. So I'm going to have some purple and cranberry. And then highlight into my flowers. Now, do you see what I'm talking about with the red, the cranberry, and the forest green? It's a very like specific look, and I know there's probably a designer that I'm thinking of that uses this all the time, And if you guys can think of who I'm talking about, please. I'm going to say Oscar de la Renta, or I don't know. But do you see how that like makes it like this? It's it's almost like fruity, almost. I don't know how to explain it. Now with the gold, I'm adding a little bit of the cranberry to the gold and making that a rose gold. And mostly the lighter gold and the rose mixed together, and then dotting into the centers here. Okay. I'm going to go in and dot, 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 dot. I might have to wait till this dries a little better, but you know what I'm just telling you basically what I'm doing, and then when I'm done, you'll see. Okay, so here is the end result, and I want to show you guys. Oh my goodness, the colors are so beautiful. I hope you guys can see how pretty they are. Juicy, do you want to like adjust there, and then you tell me what you like with the color? Okay, tell me when to stop.
Stop. Maybe.
Okay.
Wait, go down like back a little bit.
All right.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, now look at this.
Brings out the red.
And then that. Okay, watch this. Okay, wait. And so I'm out of there more because of the way Facebook is acting right now. It is really weird. So now I'm just focusing on answering the questions here. And it's been working out great. I've answered like twice as many questions and helped twice as many people that say they can't get a hold of me. So it's working out. Anyways, I upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Get my brushes at robinmosesnailart.com and join me, paint with me, and I will see you back with more. Bye, guys. Bye. Bye.